I'm Trish.
I'm Peggy.
We're with CIBM Mortgage, and we just thought we'd do a quick selfie today. We run into a lot of issues with like rebuilding credit or how to properly build credit and stuff like that. So we just thought we'd touch base today. Peggy, give us one way.
One way would be if you have any medical collections, pay them off. The law changed as of July 1st of 2022, where once you pay off a collection, it will be removed off your credit bureau report. You can potentially settle on that for less, so you'd have to ask the collection agency. Everything you do with a collection agency, if you're going to settle for less, get it in writing before you pay them. But absolutely just get those down to a zero balance. That will make a huge difference.
Number two, it's important to pay your credit cards to less than 30% of your credit limit. So if your credit limit's $1,000, roughly pay it below $300. Believe it or not, when you go above that 30% mark, it really starts to knock a little bit at your credit score. So pay those down.
Third and lastly, pay your bills on time. I can't stress the importance. They track every single payment, and the minute you're late on one payment, that resets your whole credit score, and it will affect you. Technically, it stays on your credit report for 7 years. So pay your bills on time. Those late payments will lessen over time, and you've got to rebuild the credit though. So it's harder.
That's right. So give us a call if you want some more tips. I'm Trish. This is Peggy. We're at CIBM Mortgage at 920-457-5626.
Thanks. Have a great day.